We will be doing a state-of-the-art review for 3 advanced manufacturing technologies and their future predictions: the Internet of Things, virtual and augmented reality, and big data. My name is Catherine Hatcher.
My name is Sam Gunasekara.
And my name is Shahir Haq.
The first technology we'll talk about is the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things, so what does it mean? The Internet of Things, usually abbreviated as IoT, is a revolutionary concept which embeds all physical, mechanical, and home appliances with a microchip to integrate them to the Internet. This allows them to communicate with each other and store data analytics to work together and constantly adapt to one's lifestyle and have a positive impact. Whether we monitoring our personal health through a smartwatch or monitoring road congestions and accidents using a street camera, it is the Internet of Things platforms that provide the common language for devices to communicate with each other. So the 4 parts in the standard IoT systems. Number 1 is the end devices sensors. These are usually active sensing devices and actuators that collect data and perform simple processing. Number 2 is the gateway and local processing nodes. This is the bridge between data collected from the sensors and the internet clouds. It sends information back and forth and processes it to some extent. Number 3 is the connectivity. There may be many ways to connect these duplex systems from the sensors and to the cloud, which may be wired or wireless. So it could be Wi-Fi or Bluetooth or GSM. And the last one is the cloud-based application storage. This is a computer which computes and analyzes the collected data to make predictions and inferences and stores them on the internet cloud. So where are we now? As of 2017, there are around 15 billion devices connected to the Internet of Things. But currently, there are not as many applications used as it's supposed to be, where the healthcare industry only uses less than 50% of its devices. So let's take a glimpse into the future. The use of Internet of Things is expected to increase exponentially. By 2020, it is expected that there will be around 30 billion devices connected to the IoT. In contrast, the human population is only $7 billion. By 2025, this is expected to rise about 75 billion. As companies take advantage of this technology, more revenue will increase for different industries. The mobile networking industries increase above $1.2 trillion, the consumer electronics $445 billion, etc. Let's talk about the future of healthcare now. It's expected by 2020, over 87% of all healthcare organizations will implement IoT technology. Over 50% of devices on healthcare networks will be IoT devices over the next 2 years. As the system gets more prominent in healthcare organizations, care can be extended beyond the walls of the hospital. With the growing use of wearable technology and improvements on it, the patient's health, such as blood pressure or heart rate, can be constantly monitored with wearable technology, allowing healthcare institutions to gather and analyze large data in producing treatment that will be great and tailor-made to the patient. And lastly, the future of manufacturing. As more and more businesses take advantage of this technology, cities become smarter and more efficient. Manufacturing industry become more interconnected with their clients through IoT, as they can easily understand the pattern of sale accordingly. And however, current manufacturers who utilize this technology saw an increase in 28.5% of their revenues. Due to this, it is expected that there will be a massive rise in investment in IoT over the next few years. With advancements in technology, it is expected that the help of IoT and communication of mechanical devices, autonomous robots will be implemented. In a more distant future, there will probably be enough data in clouds where machine-to-machine technology will be advanced enough for the implementation of robots with critical thinking tasks and problem-solving skills, as a result producing top-notch quality products with great efficiency.
Another advanced manufacturing technology is virtual and augmented reality. So what are they? Well, virtual reality is a 3-dimensional computer-generated environment that a person can explore. The quote says, "Virtual reality entails presenting our senses with a computer-generated virtual environment that we can explore in some fashion." While augmented reality is a technology that layers computer enhancements over the reality of the user. So where are we now? Virtual and augmented reality are being used for both entertainment and serious purposes. It is becoming more affordable to purchase virtual reality, and you can get a model right now for less than $100. The innovation is ongoing and improving very quickly, in hardware and software. The bar graph on the left shows the projected revenue for combined hardware and software will reach $80 billion in 2025. And the pie chart on the right outlines all of the markets where virtual reality has the potential to make an impact, the largest of those being healthcare, engineering, video games, and live events. So the future of virtual reality is quickly rising. The future of manufacturing is in many different areas. For complex assembly, augmented reality can show instructions and drawings right in front of the user's eyes. For maintenance, augmented reality provides a hands-free expert relaying information in real time, which reduces maintenance time. Expert support can also be reached anywhere in the world without the cost of travel. In automation, more jobs are going to become automated. And with quality assurance, manual and automatic inspections are enhanced with augmented reality. The impact is going to be very big for this technology. There will be a better predictive analysis to anticipate the outcome before production, increased efficiency and safety of the physical product and the manufacturing processes, and enhanced user experience, as the designers and engineers can interact with their designs before manufacturing to provide a much better end result for the user.
For the last part of our project, big data. So it's big data. What is big data? Big data is a data set that are complex and extensive, which makes conventional data processing software inadequate to deal with them. And big data deals with capturing data, storing data, data analysis, sharing, and many more, making the manufacturing industry more easier to deal with customers. Sometimes it's cost effective as this method saves a lot of time and saves millions of dollars for the company. Where are we now? So big data analytics are now being used in several manufacturing industries. It is used to track the demand of a product in a new market. It is also used to ensure the quality assurance of a product by taking data from customer reviews and implementing those flaws and defects in the product to the production line. It is also used to predict potential delays for uh, supply chain businesses on by taking information on weather and map. The future of big data and its impact. Currently, it is being used by a few companies, but in 5 to 10 years from now, more companies should use it to identify their new market in other regions if they wish to expand their businesses. Companies can gather more information about their customer satisfaction on their product, which would increase their services and quality. Yeah. It can also be used to take more data about the company product, which would help them in making more better products, which will also increase the life cycle of the product. Last but not the least, using big data is profitable for the company and that think about long run businesses, which could save companies millions of dollars.
These technologies are linked and will work together to grow the tech industry and expand into areas that have only yet to exist in dreams. Thank you.